adventurous people, welcome. If you are new to my channel, you're seeing me the first time, please join the Adventurist gang by subscribing to my channel. And if you are already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Please guys, watch this video up until the end. It is vital that you do that, guys. Please watch this video till the end. Okay, if you can't do that, then at least please engage in my video by liking the video, subscribing to my channel, comment down below if you want to say something, or you can share this video. This one is very vital that you share this video. Please share this video. Someone out there in your timeline, someone somewhere, your friend, your friend's friend might need this video. They want to get out of the country. But guys, isn't it wonderful that now we are on level 2 right here in South Africa? We can go anywhere that we want to go around the country. We are getting there. The international borders are almost opening, so this video is very vital for you to watch today, because I am talking about how to live, work, travel abroad in 2020. If you enjoy traveling, you want to be a traveler like me, then this video is just for you. So coming up at number 10, I'm going to count from 10 to 1. Coming up at number 10 is you can study abroad. So I know some of you guys are going to be like, oh, it's expensive, I don't have good marks. I used to think like that too. It's like, which company or which school is going to offer me a scholarship because my marks are not that great? I wanted to go to NYU when I was in high school. I used to dream about going to New York and studying in New York, but then because I did not trust myself. But you guys, I know you guys trust yourself, so I know you guys can do it. You know, I know you guys can do it. Like, just go on Google, find, like, just search how to study abroad for free, or how to get a scholarship to study abroad. I'm sure there is something for you out there, even if you have low marks. Like, anything is possible these days. Trust me. I'm going to provide you with a link, some links down below that you can look up on how you can study abroad. Obviously, those links are not limited. You can search more. You can even come here on YouTube and search for people that are studying abroad. So number 9, you can be a travel vlogger or a travel blogger. So that can actually take some time for some of you, but some of you, it can be something that is quick. If you're already like popular on social media, you can start your own vlog and then tell people on your other social media platforms to subscribe to your channel. And once you get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, then you're going to be monetized, and then you can be able to earn money traveling abroad. But this one is a bit tricky because you need to have money when you start to travel all those countries, and then who knows, in the future, then you can start getting sponsors from hotels or wherever that you go. They might say, please go to our hotel, stay there, and then do a vlog, you know, things like that. Or if you are a blogger, they're gonna say, please write about our hotel, about your stay at our hotel, something like that. So also have some links on how to travel, how to be a travel vlogger and a blogger. So guys, all the things that I'm talking about today, I have all the links on the description below. Make sure that you check those links out. Coming up at number 8, you can be a volunteer abroad. Can be a teacher, maybe in Thailand, volunteering. So you can be, I don't know, you can maybe work as a waitress, work as a camp instructor, like whatever. So when it comes to volunteering, obviously you're not getting paid, but you might stay with the host family, or maybe if you're lucky, they might provide you with an apartment and they give you free food. And then the best thing is that you get an experience of living abroad, something that you know can never replace with anything. All right. Number 7, you can be a digital nomad. So what I mean by digital nomad is it's the same as being like a travel vlogger or a travel blogger, where you go from one country to another to another to another. It's basically just working online, maybe teaching online, just doing, maybe being a digital assistant, being a social media manager, something like that. Anything that has to do with you being online, working, earning your money online. You can go to whichever country that you want to go to, but you're just working online. You're doing all your work, you're getting paid by just waking up and do everything on your computer or on your phone. So that is, I think that's a nice job to do. Allows you to travel to whichever country that you want to. Coming up at number 6, you can be an intern abroad. You can apply for, maybe have a degree in HR or in IT or something like that. Then you can apply to intern in whichever country that you want to go and live and work in. That is a very great experience that you can do. Guys, make sure that you check all these links on the description box down below. All right. So at number 5, you can work in Canada. So I've seen like a lot of ads in my lifetime having a phone, like ads like immigrate to Canada, work in Canada, something like that. So you can go and do whichever job that you're doing now, or the qualification that you studied. You can go and work in Canada. Yeah, guys, bear in mind that all these things that I'm providing you guys might need you to save up some cash. Some you don't need to save up some cash. They provide you with the flight ticket or a place to stay. You are lucky if you get that, but like most of them, you need to save up to actually go and travel abroad. You have to have enough money to travel abroad. Number 4, you can be a flight attendant. So a flight attendant is the person that assists you when you are on the plane, tell you where to sit, direct you, like if you need something, they provide you with that. So you can be a flight attendant. You can go from one country to another. You are just basically a traveler. And then number 3, to work in or at a cruise ship. So it's basically like being a flight attendant. You go from one country to another. Like there are so many jobs that you can do on a cruise ship. If you are an entertainer, you can apply there to be an entertainer. Maybe you're a dancer or you are a musician. You can be a musician traveling around the world doing what you love. Or you can be a waitress, a hostess. Like there's so many jobs that you can do. I think like mostly they take people who did hospitality, but just try it out, try and apply and find out. I'm sure like even if you have no experience, you can still work there. Yeah, I think even if you don't have any experience, there are some cruise ship lines that can take you. So coming up at number 2, you can be an au pair. So basically an au pair is someone who goes to another country. They become a caregiver. They look after the kids. You can even study part-time while you are there looking after the kids, and at the same time you're actually exploring the country and in the city that you are living in. Guys, like please, if you really want to travel, it doesn't matter what you're doing there in the country, just go there and do whatever, even if it means you are going to be a cleaner. Just as long as you are traveling, you are going somewhere new, you're getting new experiences, I'm telling you, it's going to be worth it. And then coming up at number 1, it's what I have been doing, to become a teacher abroad. That is the easiest job for me right now, because it's what I was doing. I'm sure the other jobs, they're also easy, I don't know. So yeah, I can become a teacher. Like me, and live abroad, just teaching English, something that you already influenced in, that you already talk. So you just go there, be an English teacher. At the same time, you get holidays, and then you go and travel to other countries during those holidays and do English camps, which is so much fun. And if you guys are interested on me like doing much more broad elaboration on how, like give you step by step on how you can actually start teaching English abroad after the lockdown, after all this pandemic, please comment down below and subscribe to my channel, like this video. I'm gonna give you like a second to do that if you want me to give you to do a video where I give you step by step on how you can teach English right away, like after right away when the international borders open, we can go together. Like I promise you, it is fast like that. So I'm gonna give you a minute. Okay, so I hope by now you have subscribed and you have liked this video. And if I see that most of you want me to do that video, I am gonna do that video. But I do want to do that video because I have been getting some DMs, people asking me how to teach abroad, you know, things like that. So I might do that video. So please like and subscribe, turn your notification bell on so that you won't miss the next video or the video that you want me to do. So make sure that you have your notification bells turned on. So guys, bear in mind that the jobs that I have provided you with to be able to live and work abroad, they differ. Like some they take time to get it, like takes months to get it. Some you can just get it like quickly, like when the international borders open, you can just go like that. All right, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you, and I will see you guys on my next video.